Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the subject matter. Today, we're taking a look at Truist, found online at www.truist.com. Truist is a financial services company offering a comprehensive suite of banking products and services. From personal checking and savings accounts to complex investment options, Truist aims to serve a broad range of financial needs. Let's delve a bit deeper into what they provide. For individuals, Truist offers the expected services like checking accounts with various features, including debit cards and online banking. Savings accounts are also available, with options for high-yield savings to help your money grow. In addition to everyday banking, Truist provides lending services, including mortgages for homebuyers and personal loans for various needs. They also offer credit cards with different rewards programs to suit individual spending habits. Investing with Truist is possible through their brokerage services, providing access to a range of investment vehicles. Finally, they offer financial planning resources to help customers achieve their long-term financial goals. Beyond personal finance, Truist extends its services to businesses. They offer specialized business banking accounts, treasury management services, and commercial lending options to help companies manage their finances and pursue growth opportunities. For larger corporations and institutional investors, Truist provides wealth management and investment banking services. These tailored solutions are designed to meet the more complex needs of high-net-worth individuals and organizations. Truist strives to provide a seamless and integrated banking experience across its platforms, allowing customers to manage their finances efficiently. Their online banking platform and mobile app offer convenient access to accounts, allowing users to track transactions, transfer funds, and pay bills on the go. With a wide range of services catering to individuals, businesses, and large institutions, Truist positions itself as a full-service financial partner. Remember, this review is based on my personal experience and research. Be sure to do your own due diligence and consider your own financial situation before making any decisions. Check out the links in the description below for more information about Truist. Thanks for watching.